Hi, this is Steve McCann from GringoCool, and I would like to talk to you about two different things today regarding extra virgin olive oil. I'm coming to you from Andalusia, Spain. We sell extra virgin olive oil, and one of the things that is happening is that people buy containers. Like this looks like a really nice container. This looks like a nice container. And in both cases, the actual quality of the olive oil is not very good. But it does, quit that. It does make for a nice decoration. And this particular bottle we've had for years, and it's only served as a decoration. And I'm afraid that too many of the olive oils are sold on what the bottle looks like and not what the quality of the olive oil is. So this is two good examples. I got this as a gift, both of them as a gift. And trying them, they're just not good. I have learned to trust the source. For our olive oil that we consume in the house, I get it from one particular mill. This is unfiltered. And as you can see, the actual sediment settles on unfiltered olive oil, even though it can be completely shook up again and again, and it still tastes great. It's wonderful, but that's one of the reasons that we don't sell unfiltered olive oil, is because of the possibility of the sediment settling on the bottles. So we purchase our daily consumption olive oil from a trusted source, and we want to be the trusted source for you. Our bottle is not like a decoration, but it does have very high quality Spanish extra virgin olive oil in it. And I think that is kind of the takeaway today, is do not buy olive oil for the package it comes in. Instead, find a trusted source and buy quality extra virgin olive oil. And we have an organic, and we have an hoja blanca that we'd be glad to offer. Thank you very much for your time, and please, if you have any questions or any comments, we welcome them. Have a great day. Bye.